natin ngayong Oktubre, ano? Siyempre, sa pagkakaroon o sa mga nagkaroon na ng breast cancer. And I'm really, really happy to be part of this meaningful event. Actually, Win Radio is very happy na meron silang representative dito. O, diba? Talaga naman. And we would like, of course, everyone na ma-feel na walang ibang negative vibes. Happy lang tayo today at energized. Yes? Very good. At para magsimula po ang ating programa, meron po tayong tatawagin. This is for everybody's information about safety and reminders. Kaya naman, tatawagin po natin dito sa entablado si Ms. Denilyn Saludares, Marketing Officer ng SM City North EDSA. Palakpakan po natin mga kapamilya ng Pusong Kapatid. Thank you so much. Ako'y nanggigigil na po sa kabonggahan ninyong dalawa, ano? At eto na, oo nga pala, nakikiisa dito ang aking partner sa first station ko. DJ Tigoy is here as well, supporting the program. Ganyan po namin kamahal, syempre, ang mga ganitong klaseng programa. Kasi dapat po tayo nagkakaisa talaga sa pagtutulungan to fight a battle like this. Alright, so eto naman, moving forward, ladies and gentlemen, eto naman, hindi rin po natin kakayanin kung gaano ka-espesyal ang taong babangginin ko. Okay? Makinig po kayong mabuti. Ito lang naman po, she is just one of the most important people why we honor. Bakit nga ba? Diba? Ang Breast Cancer Awareness Month. She's a 63-year-old breast cancer survivor. Doon pa lang magpalakpakan po tayo mga kapatid. Diba? A single mom with 3 children, grown-up children. She worked as industrial engineer at National Steel Corp right after graduation. Sorry, di ba? At eto pa po mga kapamilya, kapuso at kapatid. Currently, she's a licensed real estate broker, a follower of Jesus Christ, right? And a member of Green Hills Christian Fellowship. Ladies and gentlemen, magpalakpakan po tayong lahat. Please welcome Miss Jesseline Laguarden Regalado. Self, mga kapatid, reigns, diba? At cares talaga naman. She's one of those people more with hearts who graciously helped put this event all together, from sponsoring the venue and assuring that things are in order to make Power in Pink. Itong tao na ito. Kaya naman, it's really my pleasure to introduce to you, ladies and gentlemen, let's all give her a big round of applause, everybody! Miss Marie Bernadette Velasco. Naka-standby na po ang mga taga-breast friends. Very good. Okay. Carewell Community Foundation. Please do stand by as well. After breast friends, kayo naman po ang susunod. So thank you so much, Bosom Buddies. Ang cute ng mask ko. Tutuwa ako din. Ang babaw na kaligayahan ko, no? Minsan lokarit na. Ito mga napapala pag mag-isa ka lang sa buhay. Kasi mag-isa lang ako sa booth eh. Na-imagine nyo ba, kunyari marami akong kusa pero mag-isa lang talaga kami sa station. Diba? Nakakabaliw din minsan. Okay? So ito na po ang mga kapatid natin from Breast Friends. Stand by Carewell Community Foundation. After po ni Carewell Community Foundation, si Corridor of Hope naman po. Okay? So, magpa-fresh na tayo. Anong magpa-fresh?